Understanding a calculated guess. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, a calculated guess. This phrase might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started. At first glance, a calculated guess might seem like a contradiction. How can a guess, which is often seen as a spontaneous or random decision, be calculated? Well, that's exactly where the beauty of this phrase lies. A calculated guess is not just any guess. It's one that is made based on evidence, logic, or some form of reasoning. It implies that the person making the guess has put thought into it, analyzing the information available to them to arrive at an educated conclusion. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts. Here are a few scenarios where a calculated guess would be perfectly suited. In decision-making processes, especially when all the information isn't available, but you need to make a prompt decision based on the evidence at hand. While discussing probabilities or outcomes of events that haven't happened yet, such as predicting market trends or the outcome of a game. In everyday conversations, when you're trying to estimate something without exact data, like guessing how long a trip might take considering the usual traffic. To help you better understand how to use a calculated guess, let's look at some examples. Given the dark clouds and the weather forecast, I'd make a calculated guess that it's going to rain soon. Without the final sales numbers, we have to rely on a calculated guess to plan our inventory for the next quarter. Considering his past performances, my calculated guess is that he will win the match. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding and using the phrase, a calculated guess. We hope this video has shed light on how this seemingly paradoxical phrase combines spontaneity with reasoning, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, making a calculated guess means you're thinking critically, using the evidence at your disposal to make an informed decision or prediction. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Happy learning!